Open Claude on your desktop, and the first thing you see is a chat box. Type a question, get an answer. That's where most people stop. But that chat box is one of 3 modes, and the other 2 are where the real work happens. Here's the whole app. First, the one fact about Claude that everything else rests on. Claude is a model that predicts text. It doesn't look things up in a database, and it doesn't remember you from one chat to the next. It works with whatever's in front of it right now. Keep that in your back pocket. It explains everything the app does, because the app is just the front door to that model. And it does 3 things for you. It gives you 3 modes for 3 different kinds of work. It gives you a place to keep your context so you stop repeating yourself. And it gives you the controls that decide whether your output comes back sharp or vague. This part is the modes and the controls. The next part is keeping your context. By the end of both, you'll be using the whole tool instead of one corner of it. 3 modes, the app labels them chat, Cowork, and code. Start with chat because you already know it. Chat is the conversation. You ask, Claude answers. You paste in a document, a screenshot, an error message, and ask about that. Chat is for thinking out loud, drafting an email, questioning a plan, summarizing a long thread, rewriting something in a different tone. The defining feature of chat is that you're in the loop on every single turn. Claude does one thing, you read it, you respond. Nothing happens that you didn't just ask for. That makes chat right for anything small enough to hold in your head. A single task, a quick transform, a question. The moment a job has 5 steps and 3 files, chat starts to feel like you're doing all the steering. That's your signal to switch, which brings us to Cowork, the mode most people never open. Cowork is for work that takes more than 1 step. Instead of you typing every instruction, you hand Claude a task and it works through it. It opens files, it researches, it drafts, it assembles a deliverable, and it checks in with you at the points that matter. You approve the approach, you watch what it's doing, you can stop it. You haven't given up control, you've changed your job from typing each step to managing the work. The mental model. Chat is a conversation, Cowork is a handoff. Summarize this paragraph is chat. Go through these 12 interview notes and build me a themes document is Cowork. Same model underneath, different amount of rope. The third mode is code. That's Claude Code. It's an agentic coding tool. It reads your actual code base, edits across multiple files, runs commands, and works in a session the way a developer does. If you ship software, this is the mode that touches your repo directly. And it's different enough that it gets its own block of episodes later in the series. For today, you just need to know it's here, and that it's not chat that happens to no code. It's a different kind of tool. We'll come back to it. Picking the right mode is half of a good result. The other half is how you ask, and this is the habit that moves the needle most, so I want it to stick. Don't just ask, brief. Here's the difference. A weak prompt is, write a launch email. Claude will write one, but it's guessing at everything you didn't say, so you get something generic and you spend 20 minutes fixing it. A strong prompt names 3 things: the goal, what you actually want; the context, what Claude needs to know to do it well; and the output, the shape you want it back in. Watch the same request briefed. Goal, write a launch email announcing our new pricing. Context, it's going to existing customers. The product is a project management tool. Some of them are getting a price increase, so the tone needs to be honest and warm, not salesy. Output, 3 short paragraphs, 1 clear call to action, no subject line yet. Same model, a completely different email. Because remember the one fact, Claude only works with what's in the context window. A vague prompt leaves that window half empty, and Claude fills the gaps with averages. A brief fills it with your specifics. Goal, context, output. 3 things, every time. We spend 6 whole episodes on prompting later in the series. But if you take one habit from this one, take that. So that's the app. 3 modes. Chat for the conversation you steer, Cowork for the job you hand off, code for the repo you let it into, and one habit underneath all of them. Brief, don't ask. Goal, context, output. Next part, we deal with the thing that quietly wastes the most time. Re-explaining yourself in every new chat. Projects, artifacts, and skills. Where your work and your context actually live. That's part 2. See you there.